my name is Isabel Shestopal. I currently live in Amsterdam, but I'm actually from Norway. I work as a strategy leader within IKEA in the digital department. Today I'm here at Hyper Island to kick off the course Change Management with the Digital Creative class, where we go through the topic of change management, what the course is going to look like, and also we talk about stakeholder management and how you can use that to drive change. Being based in Amsterdam, it's a pleasure for me to be able to come to Sweden and see the students in person, and that is thanks to the Erasmus program. I'm super happy to be here in person, to be able to have the discussions with the students and exchange our knowledge together.